Hello and welcome to Housey. Today we are going to give you the update on Lodha's brand new project which is coming up on Pancard Road in Baner near 24K Sereno in Baner. The luxury of this project can be compared to Lodha World which is in Lodha Park, Mumbai. I'm going to tell you a lot about this project and the update. Stay tuned with me. The project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 8.75 acres and it will have only plush 5 towers. And it is one of the biggest and Vastu-oriented rectangular plot in Baner. The project will have ultra-luxurious 3-bed apartments which will be from 1700 to 1750 square feet, and the 4-bed apartments would be 2050 to 2100 square feet, which would also have study and staff quarters separate. Now, as I said, that it will have only 5 flush towers in this 8.75 acres of land parcel. What would be the amenities? There's going to be a total of 70 to 80% of open space, wherein there would be amenities like a 20,000 plus square feet clubhouse, a 5-star standard cafe, a world-class gym, temple, a swimming pool, and also a rooftop sports arena. And the most important, 5-star hospitality service by Saint Amand, which would include trainers, valet, club management, and much more. The residence's USPs would be that there would be massive rooms, mega living rooms, which would be approximately 650 square feet, 17 feet wide balconies in every apartment, separate study room, separate staff's quarter, and also a grand entrance foyer for each and every apartment. And now the most important part, the 3-bedroom luxurious apartment would be priced at 3.5 crores for the pre-launch, and the 4 BHK pre-launch offer would be 4.25 crores. And now after knowing this, I'm sure you want to know the booking process. The booking process is very simple. You will have to schedule a meeting with our closing sales manager, and you have to pay a token amount of 4.5 lakhs to get registered and shortlist yourself to get entry into the privileged club of clients for the best offering price and the best experience throughout the process. Do let us know in the comment section when would you be coming to book the property over here, and do not forget to follow Housey for more such project updates. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.